Hi, how are you? And this is Numan Sohail. In this video, I will show you how you can add any person to TikTok shop. This will help you to save your TikTok shop. You don't need to give your login to someone. And if you want someone to work on your shop, so he can work anywhere from the world. So let's start. This is our TikTok shop where I want to add to give child access to someone. Let's say this is my address. I will copy that, and then you need for that you need an email address. Click on your shop logo, then you will click on my account and account setting, then you will come to account setting. After that, click on user management, and create new. Here you will see all the users that you have added. Add user. Here you will select the role of the person. Let's say main administrator. If someone you want to assign them of affiliate, you can click here, or a finance specialist. Here are multiple roles. I would like to click on main administrator, where he will be able to access all my shop details. Put email address. I will paste my email address here. I will select my language English. I will submit that, and we have 120 hours to activate that. I will click OK, and then I will come here to my email address, and here I will get shop invite. I will click here, add new user. Please click here to activate your user account. I will click here again. It will be redirect me to another page. I will put my password here. Confirm. I will put my email address here. Here is my password already selected. You will have a separate email and password as a child access. Now I am activating my shop as child access. We need to put verification email here. Here is my verification email. I will copy that and paste it here. So I have successfully logged in TikTok shop as a sub account, as a child access. Here you can see that this is sub account. So thank you so much for watching this video.